Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you what are some of the sales mistakes that salespeople made on social media. So social media was created to connect with your friends. It serves as a platform to showcase your life to your friends. Example, what did you eat for lunch? And everyone on the dining table waited 5 minutes for you to take a picture of the food, even if it's just cookies. Over the years, social media has evolved. It has become a tool for businesses, for personality, for celebrity to bring their brand, to bring awareness to the market. And that's exactly what I'm doing now, using social media as an avenue, as a tool to share, to create my brand. So if you don't mind, you can subscribe, like this video. I would really appreciate it. And with the rise of social media and technology, sales and marketing has changed. The old sales technique will not work anymore in the social media environment. However, what bothers me are some people are still using the old sales technique in the new social media environment. It is like bringing a sword to a gunfight. Even the three musketeers cannot win the fight. Now let's jump right into sales mistake number 1. It is all about your product. Now, what do I mean by that? If I scroll through your profile and I see nothing but the only products or services that you offer, that's the only thing that I see. Nothing about your personal life, nothing about your daily life, your family, or the value add, the sharing of information. There's nothing. It is just about your product and asking people to order. That is a mistake. Well, provided it is a group or a page. People visit your page or group for a specific purpose. They are looking for a specific topic or subject to be engaged in. If they visit your profile and all they can see is slimming packages or weight losing programs, that's the only thing that you put it up on your profile. There isn't really building of connection, there isn't building of relationship in your social media. Now remember this, social media, the keyword is social. It is still about building relationship. It is still about people. And then your products, your business, your programs, your services comes next. When I scroll through your profile and all I can see are properties and properties and properties, it means to say your profile are predictable. And when someone is scrolling through the feeds, and your name, your profile comes up, they are not going to read it because they know, okay, it's just another properties. So how do you overcome this? How do you get people to connect with you? Have some variations, have some variety. Share what you eat for lunch, like what many people do. Share where do you go for vacation, like what many people do. Share your hobby, share your sports, share your family, share your baby, like what many people do. Remember, social media, fundamentally, it is still social. If you do not believe this, do a test. Post something that is very business related. Whatever that you're doing, selling your products or services, post something about that. And then post something about your life. And you look at the engagement. You look at how many likes, how many comments you gather based on these two posts. Do a test. And I have done it before. Sales mistake number 2. They start selling when you accept them as friend. I'm not sure about you, but I have faced a couple of times about this behavior, right? This act. Someone added me as friend and I accepted it, and the next moment, this person starts selling. And the message are usually like, hey, I'm selling XYZ. If you're interested, let me know. Or I'm someone who helps my clients to achieve XYZ. Or do you have a career goal, a health goal, a fitness goal, a retirement plan? Hey, come on, man. I barely know you for 3 seconds and you want my money already? Are you a scammer or what? Well, yes, there are many scammers lurking behind the internet. Ooh, there's one there. Once again, social media is about social. First, you social, then you socialize. Now, no problem, let people know about your products or services, let them know what you do, but you do not need to push it to them. So social media is a marketing channel. You heard social media marketing, not social media selling. So those people who go around adding friends, and when someone accepted them and they start selling, these are what I call the door-to-door salesperson. In the past, there are this group door-to-door salesperson. They go around knocking at people's door and asking them, want to buy a vacuum cleaner, want to buy ice cream, want to buy insurance, and most of the time they have the door slammed onto them. And in case you do not know, slamming the door on you is pretty easy on social media. I just don't respond. So how do you increase the chance of closing a new prospect in social media? Share, not sell. Make friends, not prospect. Isn't it interesting? You have to close the sale, yet you cannot sell. And you have to prospect, but you cannot prospect. Make friends first. People are interested to know that you are interested in them. Hey, look, you contacted them, you added them as friend, and you better be interested in them. Because only when you are interested in them, they will be interested in you. They won't listen to you until you listen to them. If you do not know how to make friends, please read the book How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, a book that is read by Warren Buffett, one of the richest men on earth. The link is below. Click it. Go get the book. If you really do not know how to make friends on social media, how to get interested in their lives, here is an example. Go through their profile, look at what they post, find a post that is relevant to you, find a post that you have connection with, and think of questions to ask about that post. If you are a dessert person and you saw them posting pictures about cakes, well, ask them what flavor, where do they get that cake, how much is it, are they also a cake lover? Be interested in their lives. It is exactly how you converse with a new friend out there. One note of caution, please do not start selling once you get through that interest part. Relationship, trust takes time. When you start selling immediately after the interest part, it is so obvious you want to sell them something. Now, and when someone knows that you are going to sell them something, what's going to happen? The wall will be as thick as the Great Wall of China. It takes time to build that relationship, that trust, and gradually weaving your own interests, your service, your products into that conversation. And one of the ways to do that is selling by sharing. Share your knowledge, insights, experience. Now, this is what you probably have seen a lot of people are doing. And that's what I am doing right now. Only when the trust is built, only when the fundamentals, the foundation is built, your selling becomes way easy. That's where your prospect will think of you when they are considering purchasing the products that you are selling. But there was a discussion going on where someone was saying, if when I make friend and I start selling, I have chance. Now the chance that I saw is you are being desperate. That this person starts selling immediately. This person is pretty desperate. And yes, he may trigger my thought of purchasing something that's related to what he is selling. But I may not buy from him because I don't trust him. I barely knew him for 3 seconds. So the thing is this, social media is a great tool. It expands your avenues, it expands your channels of connecting with people, it expands the number of prospects that you can connect with in a short period of time. But there is a strategy, there's a technique, there's tactics to go about it. It's no longer the door-to-door salesperson method. You will lose if you do that. Now, so fundamentally, social media is still social. Share your life, share your insights, your knowledge, your experience, and watch miracle happen.